is up, my friends? This is Natalie from Simply Natalie. Welcome to my channel. And in this episode, I want to share with you how to make oven roasted turkey breast, so I can use and you can use for sandwiches or salad. So we're gonna season this with salt on both sides, cayenne pepper, and freshly ground black pepper. Goes here all over the turkey. Freshly ground black pepper there. Like around here and there. Onion actually gives a lots of flavor to turkey, or turkey breast or turkey. I'm gonna put the garlic all over the turkey. If you have a special tools for garlic, so you can put the garlic in, you can poke the garlic inside, go ahead and do that. I don't have that, like I said, so I'm just gonna do it with knife, and I'm gonna make a bigger holes, and I'm gonna tuck garlic inside, and very small pieces of the bay leaves. Just stuck in there. So I'm gonna finish doing this for turkey, like here and there, all over the breast. Then just put the garlic all over everywhere else, like around the turkey breast, cover the skin, and we're gonna drizzle with olive oil. There. So simple. So now I'm gonna cover this with a lid, and I'm gonna store this in a refrigerator about for a couple hours, 2-3 hours, 5. You can even go work and leave this for 8 hours and come back and then oven roast this. So like I said, at least for a couple hours, and then you can roast this. And when you roast this, you can go ahead, roast this at 375 degrees about 4 hours or so. So I'm gonna store this in a refrigerator, and tomorrow I can use, I'm gonna slice and I can use for turkey sandwiches, which is awesome thing to do. Better than go to the store and buy from the deli, which I like to do that sometimes, but homemade is the best. Trust me, the best. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you like this video, how to make oven roasted turkey breast for your sandwiches or salad. Please leave me a comment below. What is your favorite meat you're using for your sandwiches? Turkey breast or chicken, yada yada, you get the point. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.